Hi, I'm Cheuk Yiu Lo. I specialize in sculpture and I studied at the Slade. In my artistic process, research and exploration plays a pivotal role when delving into complex concepts like pleasure and desire, particularly when considering the phenomena of face pareidolia and the ways of seeing. Exploration is a crucial aspect in my artistic process. I experiment with different visual elements, styles, and techniques to represent complex related to pleasure and desire. I feel the act of creating art as a form of introspection. The process of sculpting forces me to reflect on my own experience, belief, and emotions. This introspective aspect of creation becomes a recurrent motif in my work, as I often depict characters that symbolize self-exploration and inner reflection. Humans have a natural inclination to interpret and perceive facial features even in non-facial stimuli, and the tendency plays a significant role in how we experience pleasure and desire. Humans tend to anthropomorphize objects by attributing human-like qualities or emotions to them. This inclination is related to face pareidolia and our desires for connection. We find pleasure in seeing relatable or familiar features in our world, as it makes the environment seem more friendly and understandable.